Hello, Robert. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Elements Restoration homepage. It looks pretty good. I would suggest having your number a little bit more visible. I do see it here and you have a contact us, but people like to see a big number right at the top of the page. Now scrolling down, the site is easily laid out, it's easy to navigate. However, there's not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 309 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content on here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is water damage La Quinta. This keyword brings in 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Right beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or show off a special promotion or event that you have going on. They are also a great fast leads option while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, yellowpages.com, Angie's List, Home Advisor, these are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of these online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Be careful when you are entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the content on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation by Google. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This is going to be the main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. So this is actually a service page that they have ranked. But if we go through here, they don't have very much content on this page. It actually only has 405 words. So it would be extremely easy to outbeat them with the number of words they have on their site. In addition to good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So here I just typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. It tells me they have 149 backlinks from 50 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 153 keywords. So you can click on this to see which keywords they are ranking for, you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. So here we'll list all of the different keywords they are ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, incorporate the best ones with the highest volume into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I want to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so it was telling me that they had around 159 different backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so backlinks are ranked anywhere from 1 to 100 for their domain rating, or here it will say DR. So you want to go through and see which ones have a high DR, domain rating, and click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these pages as well. You can go through these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own. So over here, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now, you guys have 92 backlinks from 29 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 13 keywords. And so I'm going to click and see which keywords you're ranking for. And so here you have a couple good keywords you're ranking on the second page for. Water damage Palm Springs. This is a good example of a great buyer intent location specific keyword. The other keywords have your actual company name in them, which of course makes sense, but you do want to focus on more of those generalized keywords so that people can find you if they weren't already looking for you. I think you could get rised in the ranks for the right keywords if you were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, more high-powered relevant backlinks. So over here, back to the competitor, it's saying that they have 179 people every month find their site organically. It can be often a lot higher than this because this only accounts for organic traffic, and sometimes it can underestimate the amount of people on their site. But we will say that there are 179 people. If they were to close 25% of those searches into customers, that would be 44 new customers every month. Multiply that by the cost of an average restoration job at $2,500, and they're at $110,000 every month. And then factor in a 50% gross profit margin, and that is $55,000 every single month. So that should give you a good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be that is ranking for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.